Hello everyone, welcome to my first tutorial. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to send a large file. So let's get started. We do search for WeTransfer.com. Here is the website as we can send our large file for free. Once you have entered to this website, you can upload your file here. There are two ways that we can upload it. First, we can go and drag our files, and second, we can go ahead and click to add files button and attach our file here. And after attach our file, here will be the email of that person as you will be sent to. And here you can mention your own email that recipient should know who sent it. You can type a title and message if needed. And then here will be the expiry days. Till 1 and 3 days it is free, and 7 days keep forever. 1 year you need to buy or purchase it. It isn't free. And then we go ahead and click to transfer. And now I'm going to go to my email to confirm the verification code. After type the verification code, you can go and click to verify and send. And now as you can see, the file are going uploading. Now just wait to complete the uploading the files. And now the file has been sent successfully. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.